Your fish are essentially swimming in a liquid environment that depends entirely on a plastic box and a small electric motor. When you look at the price tags on those high-end canister filters, it is enough to make any hobbyist wince. That is exactly where budget brands like VEVOR step in, offering a sleek-looking unit with all the bells and whistles for a price that seems almost too good to be true. You see the claims of multi-stage filtration, built-in UV sterilizers, and massive flow rates that promise to turn over your entire tank several times every single hour. It sounds like a dream for anyone trying to maintain a beautiful aquatic environment without breaking the bank. But the real question is whether you are buying a reliable tool or a ticking time bomb for your living room floor. Let's be clear from the start, these are not fake products or scams. You will receive a functional filter that moves water. Some people swear by them and report quiet, efficient operation for well over a year. However, the gap between a lucky purchase and a total disaster is much narrower here than with the established legacy brands. The instructions are often a confusing mess that leaves you guessing during the setup process. The build quality can feel flimsy, with plastic clips that seem like they might snap if you look at them the wrong way. When you are dealing with dozens of gallons of water in your home, a single failed seal or a cracked housing is a catastrophe. The advertised flow rates often plummet the second you add your own media, or once a little bit of fish waste starts to accumulate. It becomes a constant battle of maintenance just to keep the water moving at a decent pace. Serious keepers will tell you that filtration is the one area where you should never cut corners. If the motor dies in the middle of the night, your biological cycle can crash before you even wake up for your morning coffee. While the savings are tempting, you have to weigh that against the potential cost of replacing your entire stock of fish. These budget units are a gamble. They might work perfectly for you, or they might leave you frustrated and searching for spare parts that do not exist. In the world of fish keeping, consistency is king. And these cheap alternatives just cannot guarantee the long-term stability that a more expensive, proven brand offers. It is often better to save up for another month and buy the reliable option rather than risking everything on a piece of hardware that might overpromise and underdeliver when your pets need it most. You want to look at your tank and feel peace, not anxiety about whether the pump is still humming or if the floor is getting damp. The reality of the budget market is that you are often the final quality control tester. If you are willing to take that risk to save $50, then these filters might be a shortcut for you. But for most of us, the safety of our livestock is worth the premium. Don't let a shiny ad or a low price tag blind you to the basic engineering requirements of a healthy aquarium. Stick to what is proven or be prepared to deal with the consequences of a failing system. Your fish deserve a filter that works every single second of every single day. One mistake is all it takes to lose everything. Tighten your standards and keep your water clear.